Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the personal info template and explore its contents. To install personal info, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, your users can self-serve their personal information, such as changing address. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Pages section from Admin Home. Locate and select the Personal Info page. The page uses a rich text block at the top, followed by a list block of navigation items. The block comes pre-configured to only display items with the personal information content category assigned. Underneath, you will see another rich text block. Feel free to make any changes to fit with your organisation's needs. You will then find list blocks for knowledge articles, FAQs, and useful links. These contain filters to only display content with the employee advice category assigned. We encourage you to play around with the page until you find what works best for your organisation, and notice how a small change can make a big difference. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.